The human hair is very vital. The way it appears or looks can tell a lot about someone. It is responsible for one's physical appearance, and the perception people have about you will depend on how your hair looks. Whether it is trimmed or shaggy, it will give people different impressions. Everyone wishes they had the perfect healthy looking hair, but factors such as age, genetics, and hormones affect the growth and nourishment of hair. People have restored in taking vitamin supplements and other natural remedies that might help in improving the growth of their hair. We are going to look into some of the vitamin supplements and natural remedies that help in hair growth. Vitamin A. All cells, such as the human hair, require vitamin A for its growth. They help the skin glands to make sebum, which moisturizes the hair, making it look healthier. A deficient diet of vitamin A may result in hair loss. Vitamin A can be obtained from animal products such as milk, eggs, cod liver oil, yogurt. Biotin. Biotin, also called vitamin B7, is responsible for breaking down proteins to release amino acids that strengthens the hair. It also assists in carrying oxygen and other vital nutrients to the scalp that aid in hair growth. Regular intake of biotin result in lustrous hair growth. It should be noted that biotin is water soluble and it leaves the body in the urine. Hence, it is important to take them daily but not in excess. Sources of biotin in animals produced include milk, sardines, seafoods, while food product sources are spinach, cheese, avocado, peanuts. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is responsible in making of collagen, a protein which is the main part of the hair structure. The collagen promotes the production of antioxidants and fights free radicals that are responsible for aging of the hair. It is also responsible for absorption of iron and other essential for hair growth. Sources of vitamin C include lemon, cabbage, red and green pepper, Brussels and sprouts. Vitamin E. Vitamin E ensures the circulation of oxygen to the scalp. It seals off moisture, hence prevents the hair shaft from drying and appealing dull. It contains antioxidants that prevent oxidation stress in the hair. Food source of vitamin E are spinach, sunflower seeds, avocados, peanuts, mango and kiwi. Vitamin E medicinal supplements can be obtained in capsules and in liquid form. Iron. Iron assists the red blood cell to carry oxygen to the hair cells. They are responsible for the hair growth among other bodily functions it has in the body. Lack of iron in the body causes anemia, which is linked to loss of hair, especially in women. Iron sources are egg, red meat, spinach, and lentils. Zinc. Zinc plays a major role in the growth and nourishment of the hair. It contains antioxidant property which is vital for the bodies to resist infections and repairing of tissues. Hair loss is a common sign of zinc deficiency in the human body. It should be noted that too much zinc can result in health issues. Food sources of zinc include beef, oysters, pumpkin seed, and eggs. Proteins. The human hair is mostly composed of proteins that help in its growth. Ingesting large amount of proteins will help the hair follicles to be stronger and encourage the growth of hair. Protein sources are eggs, meat, milk. Rosemary essential oil. It is believed that rosemary increases the cell metabolism of the hair, causing fast growth. It promotes the growth of nerves and strengthens circulation. It prevents the follicles from being starved of blood supply, causing them to die or leading to hair loss. Rosemary is mostly applied on the scalp. This is done so by massaging it directly into the scalp after a bath. Also, it can be mixed with a shampoo. Aloe vera gel and juice. Over centuries, aloe vera has been known to contain many medicinal, skincare, and beauty properties. Aloe vera provides an ideal environment for the nourishment of hairs by smoothing the scalp. ensuring elimination of dandruff, removal of dead cells, and generation of dead skin cells. Aloe vera gel can be applied directly onto the scalp, or it can be added or mixed with any other natural hair shampoo and used to wash the hair. The aloe vera juice is consumed internally. Folic acid. Folic acid is found frequently in parenteral supplements which help keep the fetus healthy. Folic acid keeps the red blood cells healthy. Red blood cells is responsible for oxygen supply in the hair cells, ensuring healthy looking hair. Food sources include eggs, legumes, and citrus fruits such as orange, broccoli, and spinach. Collagens. Collagens is a property made of amino acids, which is the most abundant property in the human body. It contains proline, alanine, and arginine. These are amino acids responsible for hair growth. They improve circulation of nutrients for the hair follicles and contain valuable inhibitors that reduce and prevent hair loss. There is a collagen supplement do comes as pill if you need a healthy, nourishing, good looking hair. You should try out the vitamins and supplements, they will help you out in your hair problems. If none of the above works for you or your hair, you should consult your doctors. Thank you.